Hello guys, good morning. So today we are going to the Monkey World. So it's quite of a drive. Nag-pick sa akong amigo kung sa'yo mag-drive at ito kapiti layo ah. So ako'y mag-drive. Yung gano'n mag-drive ka layo kasi katanan. But anyway, drive ko ako ang car ang gamiton. So we're gonna visit the Monkey World. Visit mga ka-antihan dito, mga uncle. So, see you in a bit. Peace out. Hello, welcome to the Monkey World. Look at these prices. Entrance. 18. That's quite expensive, isn't it? Ugh. Look at that. So we're still at the entrance. We're full of not so many tourists here. Hiya.
Hiya, you on?
Yes. Two people.
You got up?
Yeah. Map? Where are we at? Where are we? Where are we? Oh, there's the entrance. We're in the A. I can see someone's like getting his butt cleaned. Look at that. Oh. Oh dear. Wait. We're going to the chimpanzee.
Chimpanzees, I think.
Yeah.
I can't see chimpanzees.
Chimpanzees and orangutans. Orangutans in there.
Chimpanzees?
No, orangutan. Where? What? Oh, still Willy Monkey. I think that's his.
He's not a haircut at all. Thick tail. He looks a bit like Boris Johnson with dark hair.
Lion, Rodders, Ash, Nari, Lulu. In the wild, chimpanzees.
Let's have coffee.
I've got very clean teeth, do you?
How many are there? There's one up there. Oh, there's a bit of disturbance going on. What's going on? It's just... He's hoarding bedding material for some reason. Gosh, poor creatures, don't you think they get bored?
This way for orang.
Squirrel monkeys. Oh, they're tiny, look at them. This little face. Oh, gone. That's what I could see running around earlier on. Wearing a towel, that one.
Orangutans. Hey, I think.
Why are you wrapped up in a towel, if anything? You cold?
And he said, "Don't too close. Don't get too close to me."
Oh, look, see that? Poked him in the face.
No.
This is from fire engines.
Hello there. Hello. You know what's this? How are you doing, man?
Hello.
Are you alright? He was looking at you like.
I know, left him down. It's got a sock. Yellow paws.
Yeah.
Very agile. I can hear a jay right now.
Hmm?
I can hear a jay. That one.
Know your woodland insects. Oh.
Small crow.
Robin.
Ollie, do you know we get back? Yellow-cheeked gibbon, close up. Gosh, quite small, aren't they? Hello.
So old. Oh
Oh, that's very old. Oh, it looks like Yoda. Hello. Cooey. Cooey. Yoo-hoo.
He's not even interested in.
I'm doing my own thing, and that's it. Hello.
He got bangs.
He's gone baldy, look. No wonder they have to charge quite a lot to come in here, because you think of the amount of food they must have to.
Yeah. See. Look at how the tail, they curve the tail.
Yeah, curled up.
He's running out of hand.
He is running out of hair. He's also smaller. I'm not sure he's very old. Gosh, funny looking thing. Aren't you a funny looking thing? Look at that wise look. He's a fox.
Did you see how it walked?
Yeah.
See?
His arms. His
Look at how
arms
it
are
how it walked.
incredible.
Look how it walked.
He's a funky gibbon. Oh dear, I think it's going to rain.